Lovely Thursday evening for everyone. Today is the 13th of June, 2024. It is 7:40 p.m. in the evening. Me with all the Rolling Condos, in which paint has been applied to the top of the Rolling Condo in blue, as well in black, and still have to complete in orange if it's going to commit to that color. What's seen in blue here is just painter's tape, in which just haven't removed it yet. This has been painted white to give the illusion that these are steel plate or wood, so therefore maybe it could be a discouragement for someone maybe to possibly break the window. These types of events do occur. It don't have to make sense. It don't have to be because you're in a bad area. It don't have to be because someone has a vendetta. It's simply people can do choices that one doesn't have to agree with. So what was most of the way completed is curtain rods have been installed. The mesh, which is shown here, had been applied to all of the windows and zip ties to secure them. However, since this is metal in the camera's view, magnets had to hold the pipe and zip ties to hold the mesh to the pipe. And then there's a thick zip tie, which is here, whereas there, and that helps it to hold it in the center because there's no place to anchor it. One may have the proper drill, but me don't. So me use basically magnets to hold it on each end, and a zip tie to hold it in the center. And this bracket here is where the mirror, to be able to see the passengers, the mirror was simply removed. So therefore it's useless because this is not a commercial rolling condo. So it's now showing progress here. These are not completed. Gotta add some zip ties to hold them so it won't droop like here. And then perhaps the very bottom of all these curtains may be reduced to approximately here to make it neat and user friendly or easy to use. Things that are inside these rolling condos are not necessary to keep. It's just primarily it was about process of elimination, figuring what should be used, and then I'm going to essentially sell, trade, or trash the items that are not going to be used for these rolling condos, going tiny. Paint was also added. Spray paint as well as roll paint is added to this area. No finish, but it's covering the stickers that are difficult or were difficult to remove. They want to risk scratching the metal. So it's stickers that were painted. These stickers are possibly to be kept because they're relevant information that describes what kind of rolling condo this is or commercial bus that it used to be. The vehicle identification number. And I'm gonna go over to the other rolling condo. Still haven't seen this person or people. And as mentioned, this is spray paint and some rolled paint. There's rolled paint, primarily layers of spray paint, like the Rust-Oleum and a can of Flex Seal as well. Not saying that that's the combination that one has to have if you want to do this, but that's just me just getting what was available to make it look as if it's steel or wool. Steel or wood. So therefore, maybe it can minimize a person breaking the window, because, as mentioned, there are people who do choices that don't have to be logical. It don't have to be because of a vendetta. So this is the other one that was done as well. It's no finish. And same way, there are magnets to hold the curtains, the rod, and then there's a zip tie in the center. And the boss mirror is here. May repurpose that as a home item. So this is no finish. It's just a odd day, and have other commitments as well. So this is maybe resumed mañana por la mañana or viernes, which is Friday morning. Possibly may come back tonight and stay here and begin early in the morning. If that happens, perhaps the day or the conditions may allow me to paint and perhaps remove the superfluous items and organize the needed items. Well, provide your ideas, your suggestions, your comments, your compliments, your complaints. Please support the channel. You're welcome to share your comments and other ways of supporting the channel. Creative ideas. Thank you for your attention, your time. Mi nombre es Saruno, and I'm going to end the video. My name is Saruno. Hablar contigo después. Ciao pa ahora, and chat with you all later. Ciao.